The 1958 Plymouth is not just remembered as a car, but as an era when American automotive design dared to dream bigger, bolder, and more dramatic than ever before. This model represents a time when cars were built with personality, when chrome was a statement, and tail fins were symbols of ambition. Today, fully restored in a rare molten pearl rose gold finish, this Plymouth stands as a living tribute to the golden age of American motoring. It doesn't just turn heads, it brings history back to life. Exterior design. The 1958 Plymouth was born during the peak of the jet age styling movement, a time when cars took inspiration from aircraft wings, rockets, and futuristic shapes. This iconic design language is seen in every curve of this vehicle. The wide chrome front grille, the dramatically sculpted quad headlights, the sweeping sidelines, and the signature tail fins were all crafted to make the car look fast even when standing still. In this custom molten pearl rose gold paint, the body transforms with every angle. Under the light, the surface shifts between pink, copper, and gold, almost like liquid metal. This finish elevates the already legendary classic into something truly breathtaking. From the shining chrome bumpers to the vintage white wall tires, every detail celebrates a time when cars were built with pride and passion, not just efficiency. Interior and cabin experience. Inside the cabin, history continues to speak through craftsmanship. The interior is restored with the same care and style that defined the late 1950s. The two-tone premium leather, cream with subtle rose gold accents, brings elegance while staying true to the car's original character. The dashboard stretches wide, decorated with chrome strips, classic analog gauges, and toggle switches that feel like stepping into a retro cockpit. The steering wheel, oversized by modern standards, carries that signature 50s charm, a reminder of the era when driving was a deliberate, immersive experience. The metallic gear lever, detailed stitching, polished trims, and warm ambient lighting recreate the feeling of luxury from a time when every interior element was handcrafted rather than mass-produced. Sitting in this Plymouth doesn't feel like sitting in a car. It feels like stepping into a perfectly preserved piece of history. Performance. The original 1958 Plymouth models were known for their strong V8 engines, delivering the deep, throaty rumble that defined American muscle before muscle cars even existed. The rear-wheel drive layout and smooth suspension made cruising feel effortless. While speed wasn't the main purpose, the presence and power of the engine created an unforgettable driving character. In restored models like this one, modern upgrades are quietly integrated. Improved braking systems, more reliable wiring, and enhanced suspension components. The goal is to respect the soul of the 1958 classic while ensuring that it performs with stability and confidence on modern roads. Safety cars from the 1950s came from an era before safety regulations became strict, so the Plymouth originally lacked features we consider standard today. No airbags, no traction systems, and no advanced sensors. To maintain authenticity while making the driving experience safer, restorers often reinforce the chassis, add better brake systems, and modernize key mechanical parts. These upgrades allow the car to stay true to its heritage while offering a safer ride. Conclusion. The 1958 Plymouth stands as a timeless reminder of what cars once represented. It reflects a period of innovation, artistry, and bold imagination, an age when vehicles were designed to be seen, admired, and remembered. In this molten pearl rose gold finish, the car takes on a new life, elegant, powerful, and undeniably captivating. This is not merely a restored classic. It is a story preserved in metal and chrome, a rolling piece of history that connects the past with the present and continues to inspire anyone who sees it.